Let's play outside. This is the third season of our storytelling program. And let's be honest about it. We've been doing it all this time, but now it's time for the kids. We're giving it to the kids. So everything you're gonna see right now, it's not really us. It's the kids. Let's go.
Shout out to Root Boy, shout out to Massive Q, shout out to Andy the T. Shout out to Mentis, what up, boy?
So our main players will be taking over from their school, their communities, straight up to our events. This one and going into the future, it's now in their hands. The involvement of the senior students right now who are pretty much have been with us for 2 to 3 years, and their involvement right now is something we could not stop. They've been informing how we do things, and now that they are immersed within the Let's Play Outside culture, we're giving it to them to define.
I am here to teach students about the basics of photography, but mainly focusing on product shots. Guys, don't forget, you're not limited to who shoot that product. You can shoot it on a person, but what I say the product. Let's see what you guys use.
We do active drama and dance in schools, in workshops, and we build confidence, creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication.
What is it about you that you can come into a space and become memorable?
I'm the founder of YAP, a performance and communications consultancy, and I help people speak in public. I help them with their performance.
You guys can work in here, you can also work outside. It can be about anything, just please keep it PG.
Yo guys, this is Slim.
Nakalbito Cabello.
And we are
Combination.
Oh yeah.
A Soweto. Today what we did with the kids, we were teaching them how to monetize their content, how to take their pictures into a product. So what you are wearing here now, it's we took our pictures and we made it into a t-shirt. So it's teaching kids how to make money out of their art.
I took them through a journey of discovering themselves, knowing themselves, how to leave a mark, how to leave a lasting impression in whatever space they go into or whatever they do with their art or their careers.
They already know how to use phones, badula bangadi selfies and taking pictures of each other. But I don't think they were really aware of how lighting works and how it's so important in an image,
That's on the floor, if we are it's something that we all know as Black people. So I started there, and then I looked into the theory. We looked at what makes a story, and then they got a chance to work on their own stories. So they then told their own stories, making sure that they follow the trajectory of a story.
We have some changes, but good changes. We have MCs and ushers, which are our own students who were part of the programs since the first start of the season. So they are the ones who are running the program now. We're pretty much here to guide them, but they are the ones who are running the program.
As a new coach for season 3, I aim and intend to show them that there is more into just storytelling and how it means to be a storyteller and what it can do for yourself individually.
I think ukuthi sibanikeza ama responsibility ukuthi barane ishow that also yabakhulisa babe na more confidence, because they were all so excited ukuthi bathatha ama roles, abakhulumayo babazazi ukuthi okay, I'm going to be an MC, and they were really excited for that.
It feels exciting because we are now able to give our ideas. We are able to think out of the box and be free, man, be creative about everything.
Giving autonomy or giving the kids control is so good and necessary because it teaches them various skills that you need in life. It allows them to understand how to embody the roles that they play and the different kinds of roles, because they get to experience what it is number one, to be a student that is learning.
Being on an organizing team, in my point of view, it's great that I get to help people around, get things done, get things sorted.
I learned many things from different people. I was so nervous, but I didn't know but you had abantu but I became comfortable after and interact with different people.
And being an attendee in this program, I get to learn more about the equipment, about the program, the photography, the videography, and improve my skills on those.
It's so very welcoming, and it's a big opportunity because of most of the people, they don't get these opportunities to show their talents. Like I could say it's a nationwide thing because of we don't know who's watching our projects and the things that we do. So it's a big opportunity, and most of the people who are part of the LPO program are very grateful.
Ukuba kule program, like it's nice for me, like the opportunity enkulu.